articleship. Basically depend on the following factor. If you are planning to get a job in the future, it is highly recommended to join a big four. It look good on your CV, your personality improve, and you will get a better exposure in a exposure. ठीक है? Also, many tier one employer will prepare a big four for candidates for their job. Now if you want to do now come for a practice, if you want to do practice in the future, even then I will recommend you to do a articleship for a 1 year from a big four. It will give you exposure in a particular field, and then take transfer to a mid-sized firm. You will get to many other things exposure also. So now every coin has two sides. There is some disadvantage of a big four too. You will get exposure only in a one field, and you will not get exposure of other field also in a big four. They will recommend mainly gives you experience in only one field. So if you want to do a practice in future, my recommendation is to do articleship from mid-sized firm from 2 year at least, and then go for a big four or a industrial training. That's it, sir, from my side.
Thank you. Group 8. Group 8.
Yes, sir.
Start.
Sir, team 8, na?
Yes, yes.
Yes. I am the speaker.
Okay.
A very warm good morning to one and all present. I am Sneha Pahuja and I am representing team 8. Today, sir has given us a very interesting task in which, from my team side, I am the speaker and my friend Ashish Kumar is the is the judge. And my topic is which form will I choose and why. So, I would like to tell you some facts here. The decision to select a CA firm is one of the most difficult tasks for a CA student. There are two options. Like my friend said, if you want to do job, then you have to do a articleship in Big Four because it will help you to get a brand name when you enter in an interview room. You are looking for a job, your CV list look good. And in my opinion, ever since I joined CA, my dream is to go to Big Four. It doesn't matter that I have to work until night. I'm ready for that. It teaches us how to stand up in difficulties. Because, in my opinion, if a person is getting his articleship from a small firm, the biggest disadvantage is communication skills and presentation skills. And in Big Four, you will get a good communication skill and presentation skills. In a small firm, there is no hierarchy for get a work done. But in a Big Four, you can get work in a very particular hierarchy. So, in my opinion, if a person has to do articleship, then he must go for a Big Four. It does not matter you have to work until late night or whatever the reason is. You have to go to Big Four to improve yourself, to improve your communication skill and presentation skill. Thank you for being a wonderful audience.
Thank you. Group 1. Group 1.
Yes, sir.
Who will speak?
Sir, I am going to speak. Soumya.
Okay, start.
Okay. Albert Howard said, work to become and not to acquire. Dreams are extremely important. You can't do it unless you imagine it. My every CA fellow dreams to work with the most prestigious companies of the corporate world. According to the rankings of World's Prestige, PricewaterhouseCoopers ranked number 1. PwC edged out E&Y, which ranked second, and Deloitte, which ranked third. KPMG ranked fourth. In fact, during the 10 years, the worlds have been ranking accounting firms. These four firms, also known as Big Four, have always taken the top 4 spots in our prestige rankings, which is why many students looking to break into accounting begin their job search with the Big Four. One of my friends told his experience working with PwC. He wanted to pursue his articleship in internal audit division of PwC. His experience has been quite dynamic. He had mainly done audits in FMCG, retail, and fast food industries. Being a travel lover, he had been lucky to have got 5 international assignments in Dubai, Turkey, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. A very good thing about PwC is that it gives you immense exposure and responsibility at such initial phase in your career that it will help you a lot in becoming a future leader. It definitely improves the way you speak, you work, you dress up, you eat, you look, and you react. Your work gets recognized here, which really makes you feel that you have done something great and you're capable of achieving even more. PwC's traditional strength has been in audit, rather than if we work about Deloitte, for example, which is traditionally known for its consultation services, and it is best known for having the best clients. It is arguably the most prestigious of the big four to work for, and in 2018, it worked with 429 of the global Fortune 500 companies. In 2018, PwC was named the UK's graduate employer of choice for consulting and accounting by the Times. In the nutshell, I would say working with PwC can definitely inculcate a feeling of self confidence in a person by giving him enough opportunities to grow. Looking forward to grow and more. At end, I would rest my case by saying CA means charismatic amalgamation of great experiences in life. Thank you for patient listening to me. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Team 5. Team 5.
Yes, sir. Shall I start?
Yes.
Okay. So good morning to all present. I, Sanidhya Gupta, is going to speak about the case study of whether to work in Big Four provided the condition imposed by them to work on no time-based limit and candidate can take coaching of one subject at a time. Firstly, Big Four CA firms are Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, and EY. In my way, working in any of the Big Four would be more desirable than mediocre or small firm provided the candidate wishes to pursue a job. I understand it would be a very challenging and tough time for the candidate, but that's what the CA is all about. 3 crucial years of hard work. And as we all know, there is no substitute to hard work. Advantages of working in Big Four is completely worth the efforts. All the big companies like Cummins, Energy Corporation, etc. are clients of Big Four, and so working in Big Four gives the candidate a vast exposure and therefore increasing its skills, knowledge, and expertise. The most preferred thing is in working is Big Four is specialization. They put you in a specific industry, which helps in development of specific skills rather than making you work on everything. Apart from auditing services, Big Four is also into many other services like merger and acquisitions, valuation, and consultancy services. Recently, there was an article about how Big Four is taking consultancy services of Big Three consultancy firms like McKinsey, Bain, and BCG. Another article about the new software developed by EY for consultancy. In a recent interview, Puneet Ranjan, CEO of Deloitte, said within next 4 years, Deloitte is planning to double its workforce in India. So Big Four is very dynamic and gives the candidate many more opportunities than mediocre firms. Apart from that, Big Four gives certain benefits like 6 months leave before exams, comp ops, reimbursement of exam fees, personality development, and certain festive activities. I think exposure and expertise one gets working in Big Four is way much better than working in any mediocre firm. Thank you.
Okay. Team number 9. Team 9.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir, for choosing my team. I present my team member Gaurav for this activity as a speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I want to give my views regarding my articleship. So everyone know that doing articleship in Big Four will improve our skills and personality. So I decide to doing articleship in Big Four and especially EY because EY is the multinational company is one of the largest professional service network in the world. Along with the Deloitte, KPMG, and PwC, it is considered the one of the Big Four accounting firms. It provides financial audit, tax consulting, and auditing services to its clients. So it will be helpful for me to boost my knowledge and skills in these areas. Like many of the largest accounting firms in recent years, EY has expanded into market adjacent to accounting, like include strategy, operations, HR, technology. And in 2019, EY was the seventh largest privately owned organization in United States. So my friend is also doing job in EY and he tells me regarding its work culture and environment. So I decided to doing job and do articleship in EY because it will helpful for me for future. It will if I will do articleship in EY, so it will boost my resume, so I will do job in multinational company like Coca-Cola or Microsoft, etc. So I decided to do job do articleship in EY. Thank you.
Team number 2. Team 2. Captain.
Good morning to everybody present
Yes.
here. Can I start, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Good morning to everybody present here. I am Anjana, and as most people wish to, even I personally want to get into one of the big fours, particularly KPMG or Deloitte. Well, firstly, I'll be highlighting the positives and negatives of getting into one of these. Starting with the positives, well, as everyone knows, getting into these adds a lot of value to our resume and a lot of weight to our articleship, in addition to easier placements in future. We get good opportunities and we'll get to know how a big CA firm actually works and its actual functioning. We may get exposed to situations that we may not be able to experience in a mediocre or a small firm. Also, I feel the way Big Four's work is entirely different from the way other firms perform. The kind of professionalism they have definitely attracts me. Apart from this, job security and hefty stipends also add to the pluses. On the other hand, talking about negatives, the biggest one being insanely long working hours, generally, and even more during peak time or year end. No time for coaching or smaller amount of time for preparation of final exams being one of the major concerns. I know I'll not have enough time for self-study, which would definitely affect my performance in finals if not managed properly. Coming to the situations that were given, the first one being no specification on the working hours, and secondly, that have only one coaching. Well, I think I already mentioned insanely long working hours as I spoke. So I definitely have my mind set and prepared for it. And well, the coaching thing is to be managed and planned accordingly, which I feel I'll be able to. And I feel I'll be able to cope with these very efficiently and to the best of my abilities. I am honestly really excited to get started and have an amazing working experience. Thank you.
Team number 4.
Sir,
Yes.
Merlin Matthew. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Merlin Matthew, and I'm representing Team 4. So to start with, from the starting of the OC days, orientation course days, I've been noticing that each and every classmate of mine has been aiming to look for Big Four and have been really asking and finding answers how and with what references they can get into Big Four. I agree that Big Four has various advantages. It provides great opportunities. It provides a brand value and everything. But personally, for me, I would concentrate more on its disadvantages, and that's would be my highlight. So for me, I'll choose a mediocre firm over Big Four at any day. I am a person who needs personal space, personal time, so I feel that by working in a Big Four, I'll kill all that time. And even though I am good at multitasking, but I feel that every individual needs his or her own time. Secondly, in a mediocre firm, we have a direct association with our top management, which helps us in managing the works really well. It gives us good exposure, good learning skills. Also, being a mediocre firm, we are able to have a good teamwork Coordination, and we're well aware about our fellow colleagues. um, Moreover, I've seen this, that many successful people have started by working from a mediocre firm, and if there, it doesn't matter where you start from, because the end is what matters. And I feel if I have good skills, good communication skills, good learning skills, I can reach Big Four any day, anytime. So I would personally prefer a mediocre firm over a big four. Thank you.
Okay, team number 6. Team
Yes,
6.
sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone present here. I, Amisha Sharma, is going to represent Group 6. Articleship period is one of the most important periods of CA student. It gives exposure to the things you have learned in the course. For the purpose of articleship, I prefer to join a mediocre firm because there we get more time to study, unlike Big Four, where there is more workload and less compensatory offs. And at the end, the aim is to become a chartered accountant and not just an article. Articleship in a local firm gives the experience in wide array of areas and more often, which is impossible in Big Four, where you get streamlined into only one area of work. This will significantly hamper the CA practice, especially in initial stages. And from my personal experience of working in Singhi and Company, I can also say to gain benefit from best of both worlds, we should opt for mediocre firm to wider our perspective and more chance to participate in decision making. Do not listen to those who say there is not much scope for practice in a mediocre firm, because I feel there is always a market to explore. All you need is the correct guidance and networking. Thank you.
Team number 3. Team 3.
Good morning. My name is Nana Gaba and I'm representing Team 3. So I'm here to tell about myself, actually, where I want to go, which firm I want to choose. I'm not going to tell about Big Four, what they do and what they have, because everybody knows that we're in CA and Big Four, especially, everybody have researched it once, I guess. So Big Four for me, when I think about Big Four, only one thing comes to my mind. I'll elaborate. Traveling is fun if the road isn't bumpy, right? Else it becomes an adventure. It's not like adventure isn't fun. In fact, it inspires the next level of fun. These trips test your skill, your patience, and above all, put your determination through paces. The absolute state of mind where your priority is very clearly set. Come what may, I will strive until I reach my destination. Big Four for me is like dream come true. I guess for many people, there are many reasons to join mediocre or to join Big Four. But for me, it's something that I dream. It's my dream since I joined CA, seeing my father working hard, because obviously he's CA, so he works hard. He's in a small size firm, he has small size firm, and seeing him work and learning about everything, it's something that I wanna do. Like, I wanna go for Big Four. It would give me exposure, it would give me a specialization, and of course my CV would look good. Of course it will. And Big Four is something, it would give me multinational exposure. That's a dream. I want to go and work outside India. And it's something that Big Four would offer me. And that's why I want to choose Big Four. And as for the conditions put, I guess big dreams require big sacrifices, and I'm ready to make any sacrifices I can to achieve my goal. Thank you for listening.
Team number 6.
6 is done, sir.
Sir, 6 is done.
All are done.
Okay, thank you.